How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos. What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how we can easily fix the problem where you don't see any videos on your YouTube homepage. So if I open my YouTube, as you can see I'm on my homepage but there are no videos showing here. And if you are facing similar problem to this, then you can just follow these steps to fix your problem. Let's get started. So first thing first, you see here it says watch history allows you to show the latest videos tailored to your interests. So as you can see, I have two options: leave watch history off or turn on history. So the problem occurs because you might have accidentally turned off your YouTube's watch history. That means YouTube won't be able to send you videos or show you the videos personalized to your choice. So you will have to turn on watch history, and depending on what kind of videos you watch, YouTube will recommend you similar kind of videos. Now in order to do that, you can simply tap on turn on history, or if I just tap on leave history off, nothing happens and I see an option to update settings. So just tap on it and you can tap on turn on. And once you do this, you can head over to your profile on the bottom right corner, and from here you can tap on the gear icon at the top right to go to your settings. And now just tap on manage all history. So from here you just have to make sure to turn on your YouTube watch history. So just make sure that all of both of these options are turned on. So tap on turn on YouTube search history as well. Tap on got it. And once you do this, you can search for a random video here, or let's say if I just watch a video from my liked videos, you can just if you refresh your homepage, you will get video recommendations depending on what video you've watched. And that's how you fix this problem. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.